France, where President Zuma has joined his French counterpart, Francois Hollande, in Lyon to open a new high-level commission on health, employment and economic growth. Part of its work will be to increase the number of healthcare workers worldwide. The commission aims to stimulate job growth in the health sector in developing countries, with the hope that it will also improve the economies in those countries as well. The two leaders visited a hospital in the city on Wednesday before chairing a number of high-level meetings. Our correspondent Dan Whitehead is in Lyon following this story and filed this report.
The front line of the care industry. President Zuma and Hollande visited Children's Hospital in Lyon, meeting key staff and sick children. Their aim to ensure that top-level facilities such as these are made available to all countries through investment and the recruitment and training of more healthcare workers.
How could we employ more people through the health sector, given its size and its importance generally, and the manner in which also it relates and impacts to many other sectors as one way of tackling the unemployment kind of question. The feeling is that if we have a commission that could focus on it, we could in fact employ a lot of people.
The World Health Organization says by 2030 there will be a shortfall of around 18 million healthcare workers in middle to low income nations because of growing and aging populations.
We need to look at the connectivity between education and employment. It's not just a question of educating more health workers, it's about employing the right type of healthcare workers responsive to the population needs. That will have to be a mix. When we talk about health workers, it's not just the doctors, the nurses, the midwives, it's all healthcare workers that contribute at the community level.
President Zuma and Hollande will co-chair a second meeting of the Commission in New York in September, before publishing a report by the end of this year. Both presidents here are keen to stress that this isn't just about recruiting more healthcare workers. They hope that in doing so, it's economies in developing nations which will also feel the benefit. Dan Whitehead, SABC News, Lyon, France.
Not too far